Welcome to Techtopia X. Today we're taking a neutral, educational look at the Cyaxzolp AE60 Ultra Drone and exploring what its listed specifications mean in practical terms. Rather than recommending whether you should buy it, we'll focus on understanding the technology behind the features and how they relate to aerial photography and videography. One of the headline specifications is its ability to capture 4K video and 8K photos. These numbers refer to the resolution of the recorded image. A higher resolution generally means more detail is available in the final image, which can be useful when cropping photos or viewing them on large displays. However, image quality is influenced by more than just resolution. Factors such as the camera sensor, lens quality, lighting conditions, and image processing all contribute to the final result. Another notable feature is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Unlike electronic image stabilization, a mechanical gimbal physically counteracts movement across 3 different axes. This helps reduce vibrations and sudden camera movements while the drone is flying. The result is smoother-looking video footage, especially when changing direction or flying in light wind. Mechanical stabilization is commonly found on drones designed for photography because it keeps the camera level independently of the aircraft's movement. The drone is also advertised with a 7.2-inch touchscreen remote controller. A larger integrated display can make it easier to monitor the camera's live view, adjust camera settings, and access flight information without relying on a separate smartphone. Screen size itself doesn't determine image quality, but it can improve visibility when composing shots outdoors. Another specification listed is 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. In general, obstacle sensing systems use sensors to detect nearby objects and assist the aircraft in avoiding collisions. Depending on the implementation, these systems may help the drone recognize trees, buildings, or other obstacles during flight. It's important to remember that no obstacle detection system is perfect, and environmental conditions such as reflective surfaces, thin branches, or poor lighting can affect performance. The product listing also mentions support for an 800-gram payload. Payload refers to the amount of additional weight the aircraft is designed to carry. This could include compatible accessories or specialized equipment if supported by the manufacturer. Carrying additional weight generally affects battery life, flight performance, and handling characteristics, so operators should always follow the manufacturer's specifications and applicable aviation regulations. The package includes 3 batteries, which can extend total operating time by allowing flights to continue after swapping batteries instead of waiting for a recharge. Since rechargeable batteries gradually discharge during use, having multiple batteries is common for users who plan longer photography sessions. The drone is also described as having a carbon fiber construction. Carbon fiber is valued because it combines high strength with relatively low weight. Lightweight materials can contribute to efficient flight while maintaining structural rigidity, although the exact benefits depend on the overall aircraft design. When evaluating any drone, it's useful to remember that specifications tell only part of the story. Features such as camera resolution, stabilization, obstacle sensing, battery capacity, flight software, environmental conditions, and pilot experience all work together to determine the overall flying and imaging experience. Finally, anyone operating a drone should become familiar with local aviation regulations, privacy requirements, and safe operating practices before flying. Understanding where drones may legally operate and maintaining awareness of surrounding people, aircraft, and obstacles are important parts of responsible drone use. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this educational overview helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.